Hey everyone, Leanne here from Kingdom Bloggers. So in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about affiliate marketing as a Christian blogger. So I'm going to explain what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and kind of give you an overview of how to be successful with it without really driving yourself crazy. So let's get started. So first off, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you as a creator join the program of another company, a product that you like or enjoy, and that company gives you what's called a tracking link. And so that tracking link goes on the end of the URL that you are giving your reader to click on. And if once the reader clicks that link and goes and looks at the product, they make a purchase, you earn a commission off of that sale. Now, the commission rates vary from company to company. Amazon can anywhere be from, 0.5 or 1% to some Christian creators actually have affiliate programs that pay as high as 40 to 50%. So there are a lot of programs out there that you can join. Pretty much every store, every, brand that you might use has an affiliate program, either directly or they offer it through an affiliate hub. And we'll talk more about that in another video. But how are you to be successful with affiliate marketing? So one of the things I see most often, and I see this with people who are not being successful and they struggle with the fact that they're just not earning money, is they focus on promoting and selling products. So they're always trying to promote a product to their reader in the blog post or on social media or in their email list or wherever. And honestly, this is just not the right approach if you want to be successful. And I think this works even more so within the Christian niche, simply because of kind of how we approach things. So my fundamental mantra, if you will, that I have always kind of taken to heart from day one, and this is what I teach everyone, is simple. Focus on serving your audience, not selling to them. So serve, not sell. That's it, right? 3 words, serve, not sell. And what that means is when you are going to put a product out there, don't put it out there with the sole intention of promoting it, right? When you create content, so number one, you need to know who your target audience is for your website or for your YouTube channel or whichever platform you're using. You need to know who you're speaking to, and you need to know what their pain points are. What things are they actually going to Google or to YouTube to search for? What types of content, right? But keep in mind, not every search is done for the purpose of just reading and learning. There are a lot of what we call money-making searches, money-minded keyword searches. A perfect example of that for us would be best Bibles for toddlers, devotionals for young women, devotionals for couples, things like that, Bible journaling supplies, all that kind of stuff. People are Googling those things because they probably want to buy it, right? Most likely they're going to buy it on Amazon, but that's a whole other topic. And so creating content that is geared towards the SEO for money-minded keywords is going to generate income from the affiliate links that you put in that particular piece of content. If, let's say, you write a blog post about just whatever, let's say, I don't know, you write a blog post about, how do Christians deal with gossip? Like, let's just say it was a spiritual growth type piece of content. And somewhere in there, you recommend a prayer journal. Now, yes, we should pray for people that gossip, but the person that came to this post that was looking for something about Christians and gossip wasn't interested in buying a prayer journal. They were in the mindset of reading about gossip and Christian approach to it, not buying a prayer journal. So you see how that insertion, that promotion of a product just doesn't make sense. I like to use the analogy of if I walked into, let's say, Pink, Victoria's Secret Pink. I don't shop at Victoria's Secret, I shop at Pink. My intention in going in there is to buy underwear of some sort. So if at checkout, the cashier was like, hey, would you like to buy this fishing pole? Now, I fish, so might kind of work on me. But for the most part, nobody's going to buy that fishing pole because that's not why they came in to Pink. They came in to buy underwear. If they wanted to buy a fishing pole, they would go into Academy or Dick's or whatever, right? So always think about that. When you're trying to promote or push a product or recommend something, it needs to match the reason the person came to this place to begin with. So again, knowing your audience is very, very important, but not what you think they need. It's very important that you dive into keyword research. You can use keywords everywhere. It's a very inexpensive tool for Google. You can use TubeBuddy to do it in YouTube. Find out what people are searching for. Then use that as the basis to write content to serve that particular search query. So the products, the best Bibles for toddlers or devotionals for young women, I consider those product recommendation posts. People are looking for some recommendations. These are not review posts. You don't have to have read these books or devotionals yourself. You can simply go to Amazon and look for the top ones that are being shown, the ones that maybe your friends have mentioned or whatever. You're simply making recommendations. But because the searcher was literally looking for that, the inclination to make a purchase is already there. Now, so that's your direct approach, right? You're serving your audience. You're not selling to them. You're serving the search query that they were making. The passive approach to this is the non-product searches they're doing. So a good example, it's not really a biblical example or Christian search example, but 5 ways to keep your toddlers busy in the summer, right? So a Christian mom could be looking for this. So it could be a Christian blog that does this. Your Christian blogs don't have to just put Bible stuff. We have Christian blogs that serve wider purposes, like pouring into families and moms in the normal day-to-day stuff. And so in your recommendations, here are 5 things you could do. Maybe one of those is to buy a slip and slide. So you're not promoting the slip and slide. The post is not all about the slip and slide, but kind of mentioning that slip and slide still answers the search query of what can I do with my kids in the summer, right, from home or whatever. So it's a subtle mention. You don't make a whole to-do about it. You literally just link it in that sentence and go on and continue with the other 4 things that, can help the mom keep the toddler busy. So that's the passive approach. You have the direct approach with the actual product search queries, item search queries. And then you have the passive approach where it's just a simple recommendation to answer the pain point of a struggle that they were Googling. And so if you keep those 2 things in the forefront in everything you create, you will be successful with affiliate marketing. Unfortunately, many bloggers never reach that point of success because they get too tunnel visioned on, I have to promote this product and how can I put a product in here and product. And that's just not going to work. So there's several other types of content that you can create that still fall in line with those 2, passive and direct approach. You have gift guides. Gift guides should not be general in nature. Your gift guide should target very specific gift guide search queries. Gifts for kids who love dinosaurs. I mean, a Christian mom could write that on her site. Gifts for Bible lovers, gifts for Mother's Day, Christian gifts for, whatever, Secretary's Day. I mean, there's so many days out of the entire year that people search for gifts. It's not just November and December. But again, that is a direct query answer. You are serving their query. And so again, it comes back to serving your audience, not promoting products. So you have gift guides, you have the direct product things like the Bibles and devotionals and things like that, even toys. I mean, it doesn't have to strictly be Bible stuff, So there's other types of content that you can create. I have a link below to the full article, and it lists all the different ways that you can write different types of content and utilize the affiliate links in them. So a couple of other things about affiliate marketing. And I have another video that I'm going to break down Amazon for you, because Amazon is the most used shopping place on the planet. So everybody shops there. They pay the lowest commission, but there's a strategy that you can use to really boost your income from it. And I'm going to show you that in another video. The link will be below as well. So promoting products, stop promoting products. Answer queries. Big images, the wrappers, like Amazon has the yellow kind of wrapper around it. Don't ever use those. Those are ugly. They look like ads. Nobody's going to click on them. Passive links are the best way, right? That's where it's linked text. Yes, you can put images if you really are showcasing something, but most people don't click images. If you put that link text right there in their line of sight where they're reading, they're more likely to click on it. So let's talk about cookies for a minute. So the cookie, it's not a cookie like chocolate chip that we eat and, gain weight or whatever. A cookie is something built into the tracking link for that particular affiliate program. And that's what lets the company know that this new customer was referred by this particular affiliate. That cookie has a time, a shelf life, if you will. Every company, every affiliate program has a different cookie duration. And so when you join their programs, they will let you know how long their cookie lasts. And so how it works is, I'll just use Amazon as an example. If I click on your link, your Amazon affiliate link, that cookie is good for 24 hours, okay, from the time that I click on it. And if I make a purchase either right now while I'm in it, or maybe I'm like, I'll come back to it after dinner. And so I go make dinner and I come back and then I get back on my computer, the same computer or my phone, which it has to be the same one that you click the link through. And then I make a purchase and it's like 6 hours later, you would still earn the commission. Some cookies are 24 hours. Some companies are 365 days. So you just really need to know what the cookie time frame is for that particular program that you're joining. Now, here's the thing. If they click on an affiliate link on another website that's also an Amazon link, the cookie is based off the last link clicked. So this is where, for many of you who do those blogger share threads where you all read each other's blogs and clicks and all that stuff, you're really messing it up, because the cookie, like 5 people click on that link in the blogger share thread, then that cookie is going to be on the last person, and chances are they weren't going to buy anything anyway. So just please stop doing those blogger share threads. So that's what a cookie is. It's built into the affiliate tracking code that they give you, and you don't have to do anything with it. It's automatic, but that is how the company knows that you were the affiliate that referred the sale. And then whatever that sale is in the commission structure, they can credit your affiliate account with it. So that is basically what affiliate marketing is, kind of an overview, how it works, how to be successful. And I think that's the most important thing to take away here. Affiliate marketing is not about promoting and selling products. It's about serving your audience's search queries, serving their needs. And so that is the basis for everything as Christians, is when we focus on serving others, the blessings will come in return, and we don't have to work as hard for them. If you approach this with I have to promote products mentality, you are going to have an uphill battle. And I see this after years and years of doing this and watching people, many bloggers, continue the promotion aspect of it. Now you can put affiliate links on social media and other places, products in your email. That's another one. I'm going to do a whole video about affiliate marketing and product sales in emails. So I'll dive a little deeper in that. But the approach is the same. Don't make your emails about, hey, you need to buy this product. Mention things that might be helpful to them, but don't make it all about the sale. I get so many of those in my email every single day, and I don't even read them. I delete them. And so just kind of think about that. Social media, if you're on social media and you're consistently, hey, you guys should check out this product. Hey, here's a product. People are like, oh my gosh, can you stop promoting products and just share whatever, if you're there to share biblical content or do, your videos, your reels, things like that. People want connection, not a salesperson in your face, right? And so just kind of remember that as you move forward in this affiliate marketing journey. And also keep in mind, everything I talk about with affiliate marketing, the approach to it also applies if you're selling your own products. So we're going to have a whole nother tutorial about creating and selling your own digital products, but the promoting of it works the same way. Focus on serving your audience so they want to buy the product because it relates to what they came to you for, instead of, hey, here, you need to buy this product. And so it's a very simple mindset, but it is a mindset shift. We are not salespeople. We are here to serve. And when you kind of embrace that, you will start seeing much success with your affiliate marketing endeavor. So If you have any questions, please drop the comments below. Be sure to like this video and follow us here at Kingdom Blogger so you can stay up to date on all the latest tutorials. And I truly want to help you grow your ministry into a profitable one. Also, there will be some other videos. We're going to talk about the different types of affiliate programs, how to sign up, how to join them, how to find your links, and all of that. And don't forget, you can also check out my affiliate marketing for Christian bloggers course, which is listed below as well. Just kind of mentioning it. I'm not promoting it, but you obviously came here to learn about affiliate marketing, and I do have a formal training that can help you with that. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next video.